Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore HVAC performance using eco mode settings on EV step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your electric vehicle's battery is adequately charged. Access the vehicle's main control screen. Locate the settings menu for your HVAC system. Choose the option labeled eco mode or energy saving. Select active to enable eco mode for the HVAC system. Observe the information displayed about energy consumption and HVAC adjustments. Adjust the cabin temperature to your preferred comfort level. Monitor the airflow settings, optimizing them for efficiency. Check for options related to automatic recirculation of air. Activate any available climate preconditioning features for efficiency. Turn off any unnecessary HVAC functions, such as heated seats or steering wheel. Keep windows closed to maintain the cabin temperature. Set the climate control to engage only when necessary for maximum energy savings. Regularly check the climate settings during your drive to ensure comfort. Evaluate your range periodically, noting any improvements in efficiency. Use the vehicle's energy consumption display to assess HVAC impact on range. Make adjustments as needed based on driving conditions and outside temperature. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific guidance related to your vehicle model. With these steps, you can effectively restore HVAC performance while maximizing energy efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.